Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by visually inspecting the 3.5 mm splitter plug and both headphone plugs for dirt and damage. Remove visible debris with compressed air or a soft brush and avoid liquids near connectors. Test each headphone independently on the source device to confirm the audio device works and rule out headphone faults. Confirm whether the splitter is TRS versus TRRS because wiring differences matter and can prevent microphone or stereo sharing. Next, try swapping cables and ports to isolate whether the cable, port, or splitter is faulty. If one headphone works in another port, the source jack may be damaged and needs repair. Check audio settings for output selection and mono versus stereo balance settings on both devices to verify configuration. Use a phone and a laptop to test both devices and confirm consistent behavior across sources before replacing the splitter. If the splitter shows intermittent contact due to broken solder joints, reflow connections carefully using a small soldering iron and a 1.5 mm tip. For non-repairable plastic housings, replace the splitter with a quality model and prefer shielded wires to reduce noise. Consider an active powered splitter or a TRRS adapter for microphone compatibility and clearer splits when using phones. Expect replacement splitters to cost between 0 and 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.